One of my students' favorite things is to get different review games that come from this website called Deck Toys. And I'm just going to show you one of the many examples that are there on the site. And so you'll notice that on one side you have a group of problems. In this particular case, I was asking my students to multiply polynomials. And on the other side are the answers to those various problems. So I'm going to zoom in on one. Don't worry, this isn't going to be a math lesson or anything. I'm just zooming in to kind of show you like what the answer would be. So if I multiply those two polynomials together, and if I do it correctly, I think anyway, I should do x times x and get x squared. And then I should do x times 1, which is going to give me x, and then negative 4 times x, which is negative 4x, and then negative 4 times 1, which is negative 4. Then I've got those two like terms in the middle that I need to combine, so because they're like terms. So x minus 4x is negative 3x, and I'm just going to bring the rest of it down. So now that I've got my answer of x squared minus 3x minus 4, I am going to look over in the answer bank and see if I see it. And yes, I do, right? It's right there, the x squared minus 3x. So notice the little yellow, I'm assuming this is like a yellow bus or a train or something like that. It has a little icon next to it, the same way that our original problem had a little blue car. So the object of the game, once you found the two answers that you think go together, you click on the problem, which you'll notice just kind of activated this car up here in the maze, and you have to take the car and get it through the maze and get it over to the one that matches, and then voila, there you go. So it's basically a glorified version of matching, but it's a way more fun version and extremely easy to create, just like you will find out later on in future activities.